Hey everyone, welcome to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and in this video I want to show you how to make an image, a background in Microsoft Word. Alright, so I have this image and I'd actually like this to become a background image behind the text. Simply, if you would like that picture to get formatted, just go ahead and double click on the image so it's selected. The next thing you need to do is find the Wrap Text button. Now, you can just select it up here, Wrap Text. And then there's an option to put the image behind the text. That is what I want to do to make this image my background. So I'm going to select behind text. And now you'll notice it's behind my text, but it's not covering my whole page. So what can I do? Well, what you can do is you can simply take your mouse and drag your image. Okay, depending on where you'd like it here, I'm going to drag my image here. And half of the page is good for me. So depending on what works best for you, you can move your image around. Now, if I wanted this to become a little bit more transparent, when I put an image on a background for accessibility and readability, it's probably best to make this more transparent. So what you want to do then is up in the picture format, your picture is still selected. There's a transparency button. Select the transparency button, and then you'll notice you can make this more transparent, which this looks a lot better. I can actually read this a lot better. Even one more over. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you learn how to make an image as a background in Microsoft Word. If this video is helpful, please like this video, share it out with anyone else who may benefit from it, and don't forget to subscribe to Being Classy. My name is Jessica, and I'll catch you in the next video.